Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm happy you decided to join us today. As you can see by that title down below, you guys, today we'll be reacting to the 24 most festive Christmas towns in the US. I'm not gonna lie, Christmas, it did used to be my favorite holiday when I was a child growing up because I used to just love getting all the gifts, right? And I used to really love driving around and seeing all the beautiful Christmas lights and decorations and stuff like that. I guess it was my favorite holiday besides my birthday, which is Valentine's Day. But yeah, and now that I'm an adult, I would have to say Thanksgiving is definitely my favorite holiday simply because I love to cook for my family. I love to watch them eat and just, everybody get together and just, have a great time, eat good, make memories and all that good stuff. But next to that, for sure, it's Christmas because, I love to spoil my babies and see how happy they are when they get to unwrap their gifts and stuff like that. But yeah, so I won't be doing too much talking during this video. Let's get into it.
Get ready to unwrap the enchantment of the most festive Christmas towns in the US. From the snowy charm of Vermont to the Bavarian-inspired magic in Washington, these destinations make holiday dreams come true.
Wow.
Discover the joys of the season in these winter wonderlands where Christmas spirit is as abundant as snowflakes. Let's start our list with number 24, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, the enchanting Christmas city, USA. From the twinkling lights to the historic charm, this town is a holiday wonderland. Stroll down Main Street, where Christmas huts and Christkindl Market offer unique gifts. Take a horse-drawn carriage ride, visit the oldest bookstore in the country, Moravian Bookshop, and enjoy festive treats at local eateries. Bethlehem's Yuletide magic is a gift waiting to be unwrapped. Celebrate the holidays in style at number 23 on our list, Solvang, California, a Christmas wonderland as sunny as California, where you can find Solvang's mischievous Nisei on a scavenger hunt and earn a special prize for outsmarting them. Time magazine calls Solvang one of the most Christmassy towns in America, and it's easy to see why. With sparkling lights, parades, Danish charm, and a month-long Yule Fest celebration, Solvang is a perfect holiday destination. At number 22, we have Branson, Missouri, lovingly known as America's Christmas Tree City. Get ready to be dazzled by hundreds of beautifully decorated trees and 6.5 million sparkling lights at Silver Dollar City Theme Park. Experiencing an old-time Christmas and attending a live Home for Christmas performance will make you embrace the holiday spirit. And don't miss the Chateau's Gingerbread Village. Number 21, Burnville, Pennsylvania. This town is home to the enchanting Cozier's Christmas Village. What started as a simple farm display in 1948 has blossomed into one of the nation's top drive-through Christmas light displays and a must-see attraction in Pennsylvania. Walk over the romantic Kissing Bridge, bask in millions of holiday lights, and shop for the perfect gifts at Santa's Toy Shop. Number 20 on our list is the magical Big Bear Lake, California, where Christmas is a winter wonderland. Enjoy snowy mountain peaks, the annual tree lighting ceremony with Santa and Mrs. Claus, and the charming Big Bear Village Mountain Christmas Boutique for unique gifts. If you're feeling adventurous, experience the thrill of nighttime glow snow tubing or explore the snowy woods on snowshoes. It's the perfect Christmas combo. At number 19, we have charming Newport, Rhode Island, where nearly 400 years of history create a cozy and enchanting Christmas season. Imagine cobblestone streets adorned with white lights, beautifully decorated Gilded Age mansions, and quaint candle shops. Enjoy illuminating boat parades, tree lighting, and unique holiday events throughout this historic coastal community. Newport at Christmas is a sparkling gem you won't want to miss. Number 18, Stockbridge, Massachusetts. This town offers a nostalgic American Christmas straight from a Norman Rockwell painting. The community recreates Rockwell's iconic Stockbridge Main Street at Christmas each year, complete with vintage cars and a visit to the Norman Rockwell Museum to see the original painting. Enjoy holiday music and over 100 carolers at the Red Lion Inn's porch, and shop at the cozy holiday market in the Berkshire Botanical Gardens. It's a Christmas step back in time. At number 17, we have Boothbay, Maine, a coastal town that comes alive with the enchanting Byee light celebration. This festive event includes the New England's largest Garden Aglow lighting contest, a mesmerizing lighted fire truck parade, and spectacular fireworks. Little ones are thrilled when Santa and Mrs. Claus arrive on illuminated tugboats for the boat parade.
Wow.
With 6 sparkling weeks of festivities, it's the perfect place to make holiday memories for the whole family. Number 16 on our list of the most festive U.S. Christmas towns is Clifton, Ohio, where the Clifton Mill takes center stage in a dazzling Christmas display. With 4 million red lights adorning the mill and a mesmerizing 100-foot waterfall of light, this holiday wonderland is pure magic. Explore a miniature village, Santa Claus Museum, and a vintage toy collection. Don't forget to visit Santa in his bustling toy shop.
Wow.
At number 15, we have Portsmouth, New Hampshire, one of the oldest towns in America, known for its vintage Christmas celebration. This charming New England destination transports you to a bygone era with a historic Strawberry Bank Museum and candlelight paths leading you to decorated homes from centuries past. Enjoy tax-free shopping statewide and embrace the festive spirit of a historic Christmas in Portsmouth. Number 14, Williamsburg, Virginia. In this town, history comes alive during the holiday season. Every home in historic Williamsburg lights a candle, dating back to the Revolutionary War era. Cobblestone streets and colonial traditions like torchlight caroling create a magical experience for history buffs. Don't miss Christmas Town and Busch Gardens with over 10 million twinkling lights, thrilling ice shows, and a visit to Santa. It's a historic and enchanting Christmas in Williamsburg. Number 13 is Rhinebeck, New York, a Hudson Valley town celebrating its Dutch heritage with the annual Sinterklaas Festival. This day-long, non-denominational event honors children and offers food, performances, and crafts for the whole family. Explore Rhinebeck's rich history, visit the oldest inn in America, the Beekman Arms, and enjoy a lively parade through town. It's a festive journey back in time in Rhinebeck. Number 12 on our list is Mystic, Connecticut, a coastal village that turns into a winter wonderland at Christmas time. Enjoy an illuminated boat parade, festive carolers, a SantaCon bar hop, and the magical lights at the aquarium. Mystic offers a charming Christmas market, local Christmas tree farms, lantern light tours, and beautifully decorated boats. With 27 inches of snow a year, it's a cozy winter paradise you'll love. Number 11 brings us to the magical...
Have you guys ever been to any of these places? I haven't been to one. One that I was always near, though, was Big Bear. Never went down to Big Bear, but always made plans to go to Big Bear. My children have been to Big Bear. I remember when I was giving birth to my youngest daughter, they called me to check on me while we were in the hospital. And they're all having fun playing in the snow in Big Bear. So I'm like, you guys are in Big Bear and I'm laying in this bed, trying to gain my strength and all that good stuff. While, becoming a mother again for the 3rd time. So, yeah. But let me know if you guys have been to any of these places.
Number 11 brings us to the magical Durango, Colorado. This historic mining town offers a special treat during the holidays, a Polar Express-inspired train ride, where kids in pajamas embark on a real steam engine adventure to the North Pole, sip hot cocoa, sing carols, and visit Santa on the return trip. Beyond the enchanting train journey, you can enjoy shopping, winter activities like skiing, snowboarding, and even horse-drawn sleigh rides. At number 10, we have Frankenmuth, Michigan, home to Bronner's Christmas Wonderland, the world's largest Christmas store, spanning 27 acres. With over 50,000 unique holiday items, it's a true Christmas wonderland. But Frankenmuth offers more than just shopping. Explore the town's festive displays, featuring beloved Christmas characters and over 150 beautifully adorned trees on Main Street. Don't miss the spectacular 7-minute light and music show at the 40-foot tall Christmas tree. Number 9. Natchitoches, Louisiana. Natchitoches is home to the enchanting Natchitoches Christmas Festival. With over 350,000 lights adorning the city, Natchitoches pays tribute to its Creole heritage. Enjoy carriage rides, historic home tours, and festive parades every weekend from Thanksgiving through Christmas. Don't miss the boat parade, where shimmering lights and fireworks dance on the Cane River, creating a magical holiday spectacle. Number 8 on our list is North Pole, Alaska, where Christmas magic lasts year-round. Streets like Santa Claus Lane and Kris Kringle Drive are adorned with festive decorations. The Santa Claus house, featuring a colossal 40-foot Santa statue, is a must-visit. The nearby Shana Lake Recreation Area offers winter activities like ice fishing and aurora photography. It's the perfect destination for anyone seeking Christmas enchantment throughout the year. Number 7 brings us to St. Augustine, Florida, a historic town founded in 1565 that shines with timeless holiday spirit. The Nights of Lights transforms this charming town into a dazzling wonderland, lighting up its historic buildings and streets, from the Plaza de la Constitucion to the Bridge of Lions. You won't want to miss the unique Regatta of Lights, where Florida's warmth meets festive Christmas decor. Number 6, Santa Fe, New Mexico. Christmas in Santa Fe is a magical time filled with festive events. Among them, the Canyon Road Farolito Walk stands out as an enchanting tradition. Thousands of farolitos illuminate the road, casting a warm glow on historic buildings and gardens, creating a truly mesmerizing experience. Additionally, Santa Fe offers a range of winter activities, from cross-country skiing to enjoying the Nutcracker performance, making it a perfect holiday destination. Number 5, Vail, Colorado. The snow-covered wonderland of Vail in the Rocky Mountains boasts the ultimate Christmas experience. Delight in the festive lights adorning cobblestone streets, snowy mountain vistas, and the charming Kris Kringle Market. Ski season comes alive with fresh powder, vibrant New Year's Eve celebrations, and the spectacular tree lighting event at the Children's Fountain in Vail Village. Number 4 on our list is Santa Claus, Indiana, living up to its festive name year-round. This enchanting town boasts Holiday World theme park with delightful attractions like Rudolph's Roundup. You can visit Santa's Candy Castle, offering unique candies and homemade confections. Kids' letters to Santa are answered by volunteer elves at the local post office. When the Christmas season begins, the Santa Claus Land of Lights illuminates the night with the story of Rudolph, pyrotechnics, and reindeer rides. Number 3, Woodstock, Vermont, is the quintessential New England Christmas town filled with enchantment. The annual Wassail Weekend is a highlight featuring a delectable wassail feast and a charming wassail parade. Delve into gingerbread contests, experience Victorian Christmas traditions at Billings Farm, and witness the lighting of the luminaries by the Woodstock Rotary Club. With ample snowfall, a lively Christmas market, and traditional decoration, it's a winter wonderland worth exploring. Number 2, New York City, New York. The Big Apple transforms into a winter wonderland during the Christmas season. From the iconic Rockefeller Christmas tree to the dazzling holiday markets and a spirited New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square, the city is brimming with festive joy. Explore the New York Botanical Garden's enchanting displays, witness the high-kicking Radio City Rockettes, and embrace the timeless magic of the Nutcracker at the Lincoln Center. Lace up your skates at Bryant Park's Winter Village and discover unique treasures at holiday markets. Plus, don't miss the captivating window displays at renowned department stores. Our number 1 of the most festive Christmas towns in America is the Bavarian-inspired village at Leavenworth, Washington. This town is a truly enchanting Christmas wonderland. The Grand Lighting Festival, now held daily, kicks off the holiday season. Explore the charming downtown adorned with festive lights, go shopping, and enjoy winter activities. Don't miss the largest Nutcracker exhibit, featuring over 5,000 nutcrackers from 40 nations at the enchanting Nutcracker Museum. Leavenworth offers a Christmas experience like no other. If you like this video and want to explore more of the U.S., subscribe to this channel and watch our Travel the U.S. playlist.
Okay. I love that video. It was a list of places I've never been and also places I've never even heard of too. What did you guys think? And what was your favorite place out of the whole list? I don't know. I think I'm going to be biased with this one. I think I am. I think I'm going to go with Big Bear. Just because, you know, being somebody that grew up in California, and I've always heard about Big Bear and I've always wanted to go myself personally. I think I'm going to stick with Big Bear because it's so beautiful out there, especially around Christmas time, and the snow is always so beautiful. I remember living in Victorville, I would sit in my backyard and I'll be able to look outside and we'll see the snow on the mountains on Big Bear. Like, we'll be able to see the mountains of Big Bear from my backyard. And it used to just always be so cool to me. And if I did that today and sat down and looked outside of my grandmother's backyard or something like that, and I seen those mountains, it'll bring back so many nostalgic memories. Like, it'll just be so sweet and beautiful to actually reminisce about those days, honestly. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's reaction in today's video, please make sure you are tapping that love button for me. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Also tap that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Therefore, you won't miss me and I won't miss you. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you in my next upload. Bye!
It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's Miaaaa, that girl you came to see. So grab your snack and just sit back, leave a comment in the chat.